Hello. Yes. Can
Hello,
you?
Emmy. How are you?
Yes, I am good, thanks. How about you?
I am great. So, can you please close this lesson? I am not sure why this
Of
is
course.
coming on each of the
Yes, it's
video.
automatic. It's automatic. If you enroll in it, it does sometimes pop up automatically.
Okay,
Yeah.
so can I close this one from my settings?
I don't know if the students can, but I can. I don't know if the students can do that. I'm not sure.
Okay,
I'm
no
not sure.
problem. I will be finding some solution for that.
Yeah, well, I've closed it now. Has it shut down for you?
Yes.
Okay,
Now it's
awesome. Awesome. Yes, well, as you know, I am Amy and I am from South Africa. And you?
yes. I am from India,
Oh, from India. Lovely. And what is your city?
Kashmir.
Kashmir. I recognize the name. I recognize the name. I don't get a lot of students from India, so I'm not very familiar with all these different cities. Mainly Mumbai and Delhi, um, Hyderabad, Kerala, and a
Yes,
few others, and a few others. Yeah. And you've got 10 minutes today, huh? You've got a bit of 10
yes.
minutes left. Yeah.
Yes.
Do you usually
So
have 15, I think?
actually, this is the first time for me to communicate with any girl
Oh,
online.
really?
So, so I have the
Okay.
problem with the confidence because I never met with any girl before offline, by the way. So I don't have that type of
It's
courage
always been face to face.
to speak with them. Yes.
I see what you mean. So has it always been guys that you've spoken to online?
Yes, and
Hmm.
other than that, in our culture, there is a different things like we are not allowed to talk with any girl, so that's
Hmm.
why.
I see. Without what you call it? Ah. What's the word? Um, I've forgotten the word now. Um,
Okay,
so like when in Western countries, it was also a thing. Um, a chaperone, maybe a chaperone or something. Chaperone. It basically meant like if a girl wanted to meet a guy, there had to be another adult,
hmm.
um, like a married woman, like one of the parents on either side of the family, a chaperone had to be there. Um, yeah, and if there was no chaperone, both sides got in big trouble. Both sides got in very big trouble if there was no chaperone. Yeah. So
Yes, yes, correct.
so in your culture, for you to meet with to meet a girl, any random girl, online or face to face, you need permission from the girl's parents, or what is the
No,
steps?
I mean we don't have to take permission. They will be asking us that why you needed permission
No.
until
Okay.
until we get married. Yes.
Yeah, right, of course, until you get married. Yeah, no, so I'm just like thinking, yeah, because you said in your culture it's a little bit different. Hmm?
Yes,
Yeah.
different means quite strict that if you are talking with any girl, then maybe someone will be approaching you and not kill us, but of course they will beat us.
Yeah, sure, but man, that's awful. So like, so what happens if it's like a friend from school, a friend from school or something?
We
Hmm?
have we have different. I mean, for the girls, we have different separate schools, and
Oh, right.
we have separate schools for the. Yes, we don't
Oh,
have
right.
co-education.
Okay. All right, I keep forgetting that. No, because I don't know which countries share that tradition, because I know Saudi does that. So I wasn't sure if India did that too. Surely there
Yes,
must
in
be
India,
schools.
specifically in Kashmir, we have that type of
Oh,
culture.
I get your point now. Right. So not the whole of India separates the genders.
Yes,
Okay. Right. Understood. So, so this is your first time meeting a woman online. Hmm?
yes, and actually, I have that type of mindset. So what I want is like I wanted to clear my mindset by removing that type of fear. So
Yeah,
I have
it's
few
just it's
questions,
really it's so chilled.
which
It can be
yes,
so
few
chilled.
questions which I like to ask you, and you should give me a dangerous reaction, so, so that I remove my fear and get some confidence, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's all Cambly is all definitely about trying new things. Especially when it comes to learning English. It's such a fun platform, and you can meet any kind of tutor: South African, American, British, Scottish. Yeah,
Yes.
all
So
kinds.
the first question is, mm, for example, you are a girl and I am a boy,
Uh-huh.
and I want your dangerous reaction so that I become more fearful. And since you are not face to face, that's why I don't have to afraid from you.
But I can ban you. I can ban you on
Yes,
Cambly.
yes,
So there is that.
yes. So the first question, I dislike you
Okay. All right. So you dislike me because
because of any reason. I
okay.
like to dislike you.
All right. You want to dislike me. Okay. Well, that's your choice. That's your choice. I won't respond angrily
Okay,
to that.
okay.
Yeah.
Next question. You are so beautiful.
Yeah. So that's a lovely compliment. Thank you. Um, yes. Thank you. So what do you want? How do you want me to respond to that besides thank you?
Okay, this was a simple question.
Mm-hmm. Well, that was
Why are
more. I don't know. I just I'm a smiley person. I laugh. I'm a smiley person. I'm usually quite open about that with my students and just in life in general, I would say. Yeah,
okay? Thank you.
yeah, yeah. And you? What do you like to laugh about? What do you find funny in your life? Do you like to laugh? Hmm?
Yes, I like to laugh.
What kind of things make you laugh? People,
Mm,
animals.
no, no, no. With the songs which the people are singing in my hometown.
Oh, nice. Okay. So
Those are really different. And when I compare with English songs, maybe Bollywood songs, so at that moment I laugh the most.
Oh, I see what you. Okay, so what can you give me an example of a song that has made you laugh before? Like, are you talking specifically like a local song? Like, are you saying like
So
it's?
you you mean that I should sing a bit of
Oh,
that?
no, 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 no. You don't have to sing. You don't have to sing. And I'm just saying, can you give me an example of the song, like the name? You can Google it and then you send the link.
On the Google, it would not be available.
It must be maybe, or maybe it's not on the
No,
internet
it
yet.
must be. Actually, those are Desi songs.
Sorry, those are what?
Desi songs. I mean, those are made by the old people, and I mean the common people. So
Right.
they are not uploading those on.
Oh, okay. So they haven't uploaded. Okay, understood. Understood. All right. So, my question before our time runs out, because you only got about 2 minutes left.
Mhm.
Sorry, you never gave me your name. Ramzan?
Ramzan.
Ramzan. Yeah, I can see on the profile. Just had to check that. So, why are you wanting to improve your English here? What is your goal?
I have already improved my English.
Yes,
I
you
am
have.
just
I can hear.
becoming more fearful.
Well, you shouldn't.
Fearless.
Of course,
Sorry.
it's you've taken the first step today, talking to me and having a quick conversation. You should try and what's the word? Maybe also
So
practice like a YouTube videos, some YouTube
yes,
videos,
sure.
like
So,
watching
so one last question. Actually, you have not given me that type of dangerous reactions because of which I had the
I don't know how to
fear.
no, I don't know how to give a dangerous reaction.
So, for example, you dislike me the most, and I'm just asking you the question. I love you too much.
Okay, so then I'd say get lost. Get lost. It's just, yeah, fuck
Okay,
off.
I will not say thank you, right?
No, exactly. Yeah, you wouldn't say thank you to that. You would, if a person is
So,
irritated with anyone, if a person is irritated
uh-huh.
with anyone, they would just say get lost or get away or get out of my face or, um, yeah, that's basically the most common expression that is used to say you better move away before I punch you or hit you. or call the police on your
Yes,
ass.
yes, of course.
Anyway, thank you, Hamzan. Nice meeting you. Maybe we can speak again in the future. Huh?
Yes,
Awesome.
sure, sure.
Thank you.
Actually, I got a bit of confidence that if I am speaking with any offline girl, then obviously
Yeah,
I will not lose the confidence.
absolutely. Well done. I'm glad I could help.